Oh look, a red car. And if we think about Welsh, car coch. And the general mantra is that Welsh is backwards. And I'd forgive you for thinking that, especially when we think about the rest of the Germanic languages, and I apologise to any that I've missed or translated incorrectly. But as you can see, I've highlighted the colours for you, that the term red seems to come first in the Germanic languages, and then the thing it describes comes after. So yeah, Welsh is backwards. And then I thought about the Romance languages and the Celtic languages. Generally, a theory is that this happened because in Latin it can go either way. Currus rubrus or rubrus currus means a red car. And it just so happens that the Germanic languages up this side, I feel like a weatherman, the Germanic languages up here decided to swap it one way round. They would describe the item before saying what the item is. And then up this side, the Celtic and the Romance languages decided that they would tell you what it is first and describe it later. So I'm not happy with Welsh is backwards. Maybe we should just stick to Latin is indecisive.